Monterosso al Mare is one of the most wonderful destinations in the Liguria region, Italy. With its beautiful beach and unique scenery, this place attracts thousands of visitors every year. Monterosso al Mare's beach is famous for its fine sand and clear blue sea, making it an ideal spot to relax and enjoy peaceful moments by the sea. The warm and pleasant climate along with wonderful natural spaces create an ideal environment for swimming and sunbathing. Located along the Mediterranean coast, Monterosso al Mare is the final point of the Cinque Terre when traveling east from La Spezia. Located about 90 kilometers southwest of Genoa, the largest city in the region, Monterosso al Mare makes an ideal base for travelers wanting to explore the Liguria region. In addition, Monterosso al Mare also has a unique cultural heritage with brightly colored houses, reflecting the unique architectural style of the Liguria region. Visitors can walk in small alleys, explore traditional cafes or souvenir shops, as well as enjoy local cuisine at coastal restaurants. climate in Monterosso al Mare is warm and pleasant, with mild hot summers and mild winters, creating favorable conditions for tourism all year round. The conscious climate blends perfectly with the natural landscape, making Monterosso al Mare Beach an ideal destination for tourists who want to enjoy the cool blue sea space. In terms of animals, the Ligurian Sea is a diverse habitat with many species of fish, shrimp, and other marine life. Tourists often have the opportunity to see manta rays, small sharks, and many other types of marine fish when participating in activities such as diving to see coral or taking remarkable boat trips. However, the impact of tourism also poses a number of challenges, such as natural resource and environmental management, crowd management, and how tourism affects the lifestyle and traditional culture of local communities. Therefore, managing tourism in a sustainable way is extremely important to ensure that the benefits of tourism are not only temporary but also long-term and sustainable for both the community and the environment in Monterosso al Mare. Thank you everyone for taking the time to follow our adventure in Monterosso al Mare. If you like what you've seen and want to continue following new journeys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos from the Wandering channel. Your support is a great motivation for us to continue sharing unique and interesting experiences. Let's explore the world together and create new memories. See you in upcoming videos.